Installing eave trim at a corner. This installation specifically covers eave trim installation for an exposed fastener panel. Tools required: metal cutting snips, hand seamer, carpenter's pencil. Prior to installation, remove all plastic film. Start by running the first section of eave trim 1 inch past the edge of the roof. Then use your carpenter's pencil to mark the underside of the eave trim by tracing the fascia and gable board. Use your snips to cut along the outlined section of eave trim, resulting in the removal of a 1 inch flap as shown. Next, remove a section of the hem by making a 45-degree cut to the 1 inch line. Use your hand seamer to bend the remaining 1 inch flap backwards as shown. This process will allow the eave trim to meet up with the gable trim and have a clean, mitered corner. Repeat the process for the alternative side of the roof. Looking for more videos? Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. For more information, visit westernstatesmetalroofing.com.